Yo, yo, yo. I'm looking for decks 5 minute close above here with structure and target to the fifth. This is the 15 minutes resistance, and we got 5 minutes. We got 31 to and 40. 31 and 40 points. Gold dump. Gold. Gold. 15. Let me delete this 15. Yeah, 1 hour and previous 15 is same. And we get. Oh, where is selling? Selling looks good here only, I guess. 1 hour support. 30 minute support. Yeah, we've been raging. I think market is waiting for the news at 9:30. Another 26 minutes. GJ looks sus here for our suspect below this previous 4. Previous 4 a concern here. Yeah, previous 4 and previous 1. Split daily green. Should probably have to wait for setup 5 for buys. Yeah, setup 5 will look good for buys. Other than that, I'm not sure about sell. Yeah, it's a tough spot to sell because we got previous 4 hour support, we got previous 1 hour support here. Get this weak rejection. I mean, it's a wash zone, but to sell, so we don't have a good setup. Let's see what Dex gonna do. I could technically take this on the 15 break of high, stop loss below 5 minute structure and give it a shot.
Joe, for the amount of time you've been doing it, what do you normally take? Just S1s? But that's exactly. Yeah. Yeah, literally just S1s usually. I've taken a couple S5s, five, but I think 90% have been S1s. But still pretty new to it. Myself, those guys that like I've only started trading decks when Harry did.
Sure, we're already in the TS when there was like shorts and stuff trading backs.
I think I joined like
I think they joined when they left, man.
yeah, like a little bit. I think they were in when I was first joined, and then
Yeah,
all that big fall.
because they used to take only set of ones as well. That's why we kind of only take set of ones because they were looking like for they were trading like there was a little group of 3 4 guys, basically trading only backs and they only took set of ones.
It's kind
It
of
was not really well.
yeah. Yeah, it's a shame how it all panned out. I don't know why it. I don't know why it took it to heart so much. You know, it's normal, isn't it? Trading for people to disagree and have different ideas. It's not like a sort of one rule fits all type of thing. Trading.
Yeah.
Literally have the same trade, and 2 people, one buying, one selling. Yeah, they're both making money. It's not.
Exactly. Well, he was like that teaching us, like teaching a lot of people as well, right? So he did a actually great job. It's normal that when people are doing, they just ask, you know.
Yeah, it's actually
That's
stupid
right.
questions and stuff.
That's why we're here.
That's
It wasn't the first time, to be honest. I think there was already at the time like previous to that where we left or something or some other stuff.
It's not Claudio, is it?
no,
No, I don't know, it's someone else.
Oh, it's Claudio, but it seems like a cool guy.
He's
trading
trading up with
bots.
his boss now.
Trading dots.
With bots, yeah, he's created like a bot. Yeah, I don't know. I've done it to be fair because I've been trading for what, 4 years and I've seen loads of bots all rubbish and not worked. And easy to make. Smash it.
To be fair, he's as well. When it comes to programming, he's such
Yeah.
it's insane.
Yeah, Harry was telling me what to buy, like he was saying about his CV, like he's literally worked everywhere for like
Yeah.
programming stuff. So he's obviously knows what he's doing.
Yeah, he's really good. And it was more that his psychology was not the best. He was really struggling with it. That's why he took that bot side and tried it. And apparently it was pretty well.
Yeah, it's one of them things with bots, though, isn't it? It's like if it can work in certain market conditions. And then
So for sure. That's the biggest issue, right?
but I think with him, if he understands like how he's programming, like if you're programming it yourself, obviously you have massive advantage on it because you understand how to sort of tailor it to
Exactly.
things.
I think he passed. Well, he passed.
Yeah, he
more
did.
than 2 FCMOs, 200 days or something. Like, pretty crazy. Like in 1.5 months.
Test, test.
That's
Testing.
I'm pretty well as well.
distinct.
Hey Joe. Yeah, are you using Darwinex?
Not currently, but I'm going to start probably next week.
Oh, what's is that like funding or what?
It's like an alternative to FTMO essentially. So you essentially it's more like a longer term thing where you build a track record and then you can get payments as you're building your track record, and then eventually once you've got the track record on the side, you can attract third party investment, and then you take a cut of any profits you make.
Also, they are like a broker. You deposit money there to build track
Yeah,
record.
so you deposit with their in-house broker. So yeah, I think the minimum you can deposit is like 500. So you could literally just stick in 500 and just trade it as if it's just stick it in a trade copy. Risk 1% or whatever, and then once I think you've got to do 20 trades to get your like Darwin score before you can start to get paid out. And then you have to have 8 months of track record of like I think if I remember right, it's 4 months profitable or 5 months profitable of the 8. and then you can get onto Darwin Gold where you can start to attract the third party capital.
Nah.
I was trying to find it, find what it was. It's like a big thing that shows you all the different people that are on it.
I think you need to log in. It's like main page when you log in.
Nah.
Did anyone catch the S2 on that?
No, we were discussing it, but we say we didn't have much experience with trading S2s.
Yeah. It looked really nice.
You know,
I think in London we would have taken it. Sure.
You think about that, guys, that bottom width, man. That bottom width on that 15.
Yeah,
There was a broker on the broker. There was.
a little
broken?
tiny one, yeah.
yeah, there was one broken.
But I even was thinking about getting in on the 5, waiting to make it support or resistance, but it never did. So I stayed on.
One of them, isn't it? It's like it looks clean now. I think I'd have been annoyed at myself when I taken it and it lost because it's like I've not traded them before. So, yeah.
If taken it would have straight from.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so this is the diamonds. You can see here. So they paid out 6.7 million. So these are all like the top people, like performance fees. But these have all got like a whole lot of data, like 10 years worth of data behind the Darwins. You can see,
10 years.
yeah, that's really good. You can see he's got 26 million investor capital.
Wow.
What's the
Just one
what's the
trade.
commission split? No,
What's that, sorry, bro?
like what's the profit split? Because I thought it was like 5 or 10% or something.
Yeah, I don't think it's a massive amount. Obviously, when you've got
That amount of capital.
yeah, exactly. I think about like
15% is max.
50.
Yeah.
$26 million, 15% still.
Yeah, I don't complain.
Real amount.
Oh, wow.
No, these are bots.
These are all people. These are like it's like an alternative to FT Modus. It's where you like build a track record and then you can attract like investor capital.
Can you anywhere see what method they trade?
No, I can't really see anything such as to how to trade.
Actually, there should be, because I looked it up and you have like some tag, so you can see if someone is trading with automated
Yeah,
trading,
the host
or,
Joe.
like manual trading or whatever it is exactly.
Nanti kita gantung baju tu ganda KPP.
There should be some form of
Wow.
detail. If you want to invest, you click on the stock and you get on both from there.
Okay.
Maybe the THA or something. Finish with
See what happens
it.
if I got this.
KPP.
Explore.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure if we click on one, like there should be some information about it.
The underlying strategy. Bro, I don't even know what's going on here.
Jeez.
Might as well this shit. There you go. Did you see what? Germany 30. Trading DAX, boys.
No way.
Cheap all DAX.
Holy up.
Holding these trades as well. 2 days. Must be a swing trader. Yeah, it seems like every trade's from DAX.
That's a good runner though. 2 days.
It's a big old hold, isn't it? 3 days, 13 hours.
His name is Solo Dax.
Yeah, it makes sense, doesn't it?
So
Yeah, it does actually.
You can see there's all like realistic returns when you look at like, do you know what I mean? No returns are like ridiculously big, like you kind of fed online about people doing 20-30% a month, like
It's more consistency, man. Like over time. That's really impressive.
10% for the last 3 months is really good.
wow.
Yeah, but like extrapolate that for 10 years and try to hold that. That's really impressive.
Oh, really? Sure.
That's really impressive. Like, actually, Harry should look into Darwin X Man. Have you put him like into it or something?
Yeah, I spoke to him about it, but you know what he's like. He's got connections everywhere. He's probably got someone already waited to invest money into him without having to, do you know what I mean,
Yeah.
take the 15 and probably have to get a better deal, won't he?
Makes sense. Bro. Makes sense. For sure.
Because I always wondered why he doesn't do FTMOs and stuff, but I suppose it's just added
We
stress,
actually
isn't
wanted
it?
to. We actually wanted to for his birthday. I don't know if you were already in CS, but we wanted to gift him a FTMO account, and then at the end we didn't do it because he really don't like it. I'm not sure why. We've asked him multiple times, but yeah, not sure why. Maybe Ence knows actually because he's been here for a long time as well.
Just busy calling me Jason Statham. You don't think I sound like Jason Statham? I'll take that. I'll take his girlfriend, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's fair play. He's kind of short though. I think he's like
Yeah, he is. He's like similar height to me, I think.
Yeah.
5'8", 5'9".
I'm not sure if you're 5'8".
Yeah,
5'9"?
5'7", 5'8", 5'9".
Okay.
6 foot on a good day.
Yeah, I believe you, bro. I believe you.
Could have been a lot worse, mate. My dad's like...
Why is Harry saying like 5? Or Harry said like 5'6", 5'5", 5'6".
Yeah, he's just taking the piss, isn't he?
Crazy.
Do me dirty.
How tall is Harry? Like 6 foot?
Yeah, about 5'11", I'd say. Like, yeah, 6 footish.
Small people. But Ence is a giant here. 7'4", bro.
This is a beast.
Nah, you're taller than me, Ence, bro. You're way taller than me. I'm 6'2". Really? You're 190? Yeah, then we kind of the same.
Where does Ents come from? Ents. Where's that name come from? Is that because of the trees in Lord of the Rings? Because you're so tall? That's how it is. That's what they, is that what they're called? It is. It's the Ents. Thing in Lord of the Rings. I swear it is. Yeah, it is. There's a bunch of dead trees. It's just on a different level, isn't it? It's not stopping.
It is, man. Actually, I'd be interested in trading the breakout close to NYC.
Yeah, definitely. If we can get it like NYC after the news, see what that is.
Yeah. That would be amazing. Might even leave some runners if we get to. Oh yeah, and we were talking about why Harry has never done any proper. That's why I was asking, because I know we've asked multiple times, but I don't remember the answer. So maybe you know. Yeah, I thought so as well.
Surely though, it makes sense to just stick on an extra 400k after no profit. So, like, why?
But if you would have
Why not
done
do
it
it?
off your code, you would be like at least backing 2 accounts and anything else.
That's what I mean. Like, why? I don't understand why it doesn't do it.
Put it in a copy trader. Forgot about it.
Yeah, exactly. Especially with Kyrie does it like looking at 600.
Yeah, for sure.
Can't believe a stupid error I made, but I'm not realising I was an FTMO swing. What an idiot.
What happened? What did you choose? Like, did you choose?
I thought I chose him because I got this account ages ago.
Yeah.
I didn't start, I didn't start building it. Just to my old strategy wasn't working, so I was just trying to figure out the best approach to go forward. But I must have put it on swing by accident. So obviously certain trades where the stop loss has been quite small on DAX, you know, when the lot size is too big, it's not been copying. And I've been like, why is it not copying? Obviously because it's the leverage.
Yeah.
Um,
What's your max risk now? 1.5? So
yeah, I think depending on the stop loss, if it's a smaller stop loss, I think sometimes even above like 1, you can sometimes get rejected.
Yeah. You're funded now, man.
Yeah, you don't well, Lens.
Money's on another level already. Jeez.
I was like that when
it was
before when I did it with my forex funds. It was like almost like I'd hit like that phase 1, like that really high in phase 1, the profit, and I just ended up self-sabotaging. I don't know why. It was like this like mental block I couldn't get through for ages.
I think many people have that. I've heard it quite a lot.
Definitely.
Yeah. We still don't have the account, man. Jesus Christ, man. That's
It's
easy.
frustrating.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow, that's frustrating. Eds masih belum dapat account lagi.
What's your plan with the payouts,
Huh?
man? You want to like reinvest it?
FTM masih pending. So dah lupa this week dia miss dia punya all the trades. So dia cakap FTMO is like purposely wasting
Why
my
is that?
time.
Is that
So when I get account, I'm FOMO and take a bad trade.
Great job, Baba. Yeah, no doubt about it. You're trading full time right now.
What's that?
Fully funded max allocation 400,000 kira.
So,
Hence,
what are we 400,000 account?
oh maximum 200,000 dah lepas 2 dah.
Oh, kau dah ada satu account stick lah. Kedua-dua pas at the same time.
Dah lepas dah dua-dua ya.
At the same time.
Yeah, the
And
copy.
dua-dua tengah tunggu.
Yeah.
I tak ada satu dah dapat, so boleh trade di satu account. Kau ajar si FTMO.
Is that the first funded you've passed then?
Apa seal sih?
Straight in at the 200k.
Oh, Joe.
Nice.
Joe. Joe Australian.
Oh, tapi dia fail 2 kali before. Wow, I was up 8% phase 1 and then I failed. 8% with lagi 2% je saya sakit hati ke. You. That's the scary part, man.
2k is nothing in the grand scheme of things. Some people blow bloody life savings before they get profitable.
Hey, Joe Australian ke UK?
Even though this strategy is so good for a prop
I
account.
must have spent like, when I first started, I must have spent like $4,000 on stupid courses that just really cheap. did not need or didn't help me.
A lot of people actually, man. A lot of people.
So much bullshit out there, isn't there, in trading? It's hard to know who's good and who's not when you first start.
Well, when you start, it's kind of hard to determine whether it's like a proper strategy or it's just like a big scam.
Definitely. Like even with Raj, when I first learned off him, it's like you're watching him and you're watching him doing it, it just makes it look easy, but it's just so like intuition based. It's just because he's got so much experience. Whereas
Right.
when you do it yourself, it's
I guess
Right.
sometimes you can tell it's like experience wise, just looking at the charts for like 4 years or
Lagi 2 minit ni sir.
like it just gives you some form of like reflexes, instinct.
Risk 1.5% in phase 1 and then risk 1.25% in phase 2. Okay.
Just focused on for 4 years.
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't it?
I think we don't realize it like how hard and how different it is when you're like streaming while you're trading as well. When you need to explain every single time what you're doing, like day in, day out. And that's some proper work.
So, it's just the added pressure.
Yeah.
It's not even the pressure of doing it. It's more the backlash you get when you take losses. It's like people just don't understand how this works. Like it's completely normal. Especially the amount of losses Harry takes. It's ridiculous how he gets abused for taking losses.
Especially during the switches in the market conditions.
Yeah, it's like
I don't know how exactly what you said. Sometimes when I feel like I had a worse month, like I ask him, he's like up 7%.
yeah.
Makes absolutely no sense.
A lot of it's psychology though. It's like strategies for me, strategies like 20% of it.
Yeah, sure. That's why it's important to take it easy, you know. It's not like you learn a strategy and then you're profitable. There's so much more work behind it. And people don't really realize it because they don't see it.
Definitely. It's who you become, not the strategy. It's going to
Exactly. Like that.
use. Let's see what happens. I think if we start to push up, potentially we can start to look for buys above on gold. I'm not a massive fan of the ranges below, but that's where
0.4 PPI. And then core PPI 0.3 unemployment claims pending.
I did these well.
Is there any reaction? Oh, laki market tak jadi gila.
Wow, yeah, unemployment claims coming back lower than expected.
Bagus Donald Trump. Every time.
Yeah, marginally like 4. Yeah.
Yeah.
Apa ni? Apa dah buat ni?
Luar tenda kasi orang kerja eh.
Huh?
Dia kasi orang kerja.
Siapa?
Donald Trump.
Wow, German index yang react to the news. What the fuck man, Dex yang react. Oh, ni TP share for me kalau tadi enter.
We'll see what we can do.
But even DAX is interesting. Sitting at all the months.
What the fetch man?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's going to continue.
If we could like
Potential.
put a range, then close it off, it would be amazing.
Sure.
It's going to be short for sure.
It's interesting to see, do you know, Harry talked about when he said about the 7 candles thing.
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so you get into that 7th candle, we'd expect that pullback to come in.
Yeah.
Not that we can't look for a buy, but
That maybe better to do a little more aggressive.
anyone got any ranges on gold they're looking to trade sell side? It's the easiest, to be honest.
Trump announced tariffs today, and the EU said earlier they will respond in force. So that doesn't sound like a goal. So
No. That's the problem, isn't it, with gold sales? And it's just fundamentally everything's against it.
Yep.
The moves aren't going to be very sustained if you do catch one.
I'm really looking at this GJ. Honestly, you can both buy and sell at the same place at the moment. They give massive sell range. It's more mixed buys.
Yeah, for sure. Definitely not for the MS2s if that makes sense. Or like you said, we come up for MS1s. We'll retest the range and then see.
Like if this 15-minute candle closes as it is, you can literally wait for one of them to close above or below it. Right, also. Are you completely against sells?
No, I'd sell GJ. I'm not sells.
All the higher time frames are completely clear, at least how many pips on these.
You look at the structure as well with the daily, it's like realistically, if it's going to respect this area, this is the logical place where you're going to get that. Either that continuation of the bearish, where you're going to see something where find support somewhere back at this previous range, this previous support, and then potentially.
Hey guys, I'm gonna head out of here. You guys do this every day?
We can do, mate. We're just seeing how it goes this week. But yeah, we can do, bro.
Word, sounds good. All right, I'm gonna keep that in mind. I'm gonna head out of here. You guys have a good trading day, all right?
All right, man. Take it easy.
All right, later.
Cheers, mate.
Siapa?
Would
Joe.
wait for this candle to close bullish too.
Nice to
Dia
British, but it's not British. Sounds like smarter than Australian.
dia tinggal England.
Tapi the Australian.
No, I don't know
Tested the
Australia.
previous 1 hour there 3 times on me, so that shouldn't be an issue now. Can remove that. Tested it once, twice, not 3 times, 4 times, so should be able to push through that. Obviously, I'm not going to take a sell here with that stop loss.
No, exactly. That's why I wanted to close. They have the candle close, so bullish.
Yeah,
So you have structure.
definitely. We're testing the 5-minute range as well. Coley doing. Had a little liquidity grab from below the previous 4-hour lows, so I think if we can start to push, can make sense above 23.
How come Dex yang react to US news?
You're back.
Which name?
Zero point 3.0. Then gold will break down. US dollar will be strong.
I wouldn't be surprised if DAX just starts chopping about in here, to be honest. Not moved from before. turn ends. A massive part of DAX that we can improve on is for sure holding the trades, for more than 1-to-1s. I think there's a lot of scope to be able to get 1-to-2s, 1-to-1.5s. Sure, the way it's moving, especially at the minute. So I've been looking at a few of Harry's trades. You know how he used to do the 1-minute squeeze on gold. Look at DAX. A few of the trades we've got into, we'd have just done the 1-minute squeeze. We'd have massively increased our profits. It's always obvious after you've closed the trade. You're like, oh, I should have just trailed on the 1-minute.
But the thing with the squeeze is, Joe, like, if guys are, clearing the challenges and all, they're happy to take 1.5% and go. With you and Harry, it's like it's a personal account, so you don't have any target. You get 600, you get 700, you get 1,000, it's okay.
Yeah, true, mate. That is
I
true.
think that's the psychology in that. So I always prefer to, keep the TP at 1%, finish it off. On to the next trade.
True, mate. That is true.
Yeah, personal question, Joe. Percentage-wise, what are you looking for every month? Because I know obviously Harry's like 3%, 4%. If you're a full-time trader like yourself, what are you looking to sort of achieve every month?
So the way I treat trading is based on risk per trade, not essentially percentage. So it's like I'm risking like 500, 600 a trade. So obviously if I return 5R, that's like 2.5 grand. For the
sure. Okay. Yeah. Makes sense.
So yeah. So once you get comfortable, you can obviously, rather than say you've got like a 10k account, you can, if you're comfortable, you can risk 3, 4, 5% per trade if you know you've got a good win rate, and just treat it as like a monetary sort of aim rather than like a 1% type scenario.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. Because I was thinking how it take you ages to build up, say, a reasonable amount of capital. So, like for me, I'm trying to build it up personal capital. I mean, I'm similar to Harry. I've got stuff in crypto, and obviously at the moment, crypto is just booming. So I'm looking at what's there, and I'm like, yeah, I could pull that out, and 2 or 3% a month. Yeah, it's replacing my job comfortably. But then, like you said, that's looking at percentages rather than how much. So yeah.
The best way to do it, mate, is to save. Just as an example, say you've got 50 grand across your whole crypto, whatever else. What you can do is obviously just open an account with IC, put in like 10k, but then just trade it as if it was the 50k. So you're limiting your risk in terms of if IC or God forbid anything went down, you're not obviously putting all your money in one basket, but you're still trading it as if you had your whole money in. So you can keep all your money still in crypto, but then you can obviously still trade your forex as if you've taken it all out, and then just trade it as if you're risking 1% of your overall capital amount, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, it's good. What do they allow you to go higher on the ratio? Do they?
Yeah, so like leverage, I've got a 500 to 1 at the minute on IC, so like I can risk like pretty much my whole account if I wanted to.
Oh, that's yeah. I'm with Pepperstone at the moment. They're only 1 to 30.
Yeah, that's the problem, isn't it? It restricts you.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So go with IC, you can go crazy with leverage.
Yeah, just obviously just bear in mind that it's not FCA regulated, so obviously if they were to go under, then, but obviously in terms of the ability to actually generate capital, it's obviously worth it because you can.
You're backed, aren't you? Yeah. No, that makes sense.
Guys.
Yeah, no, thanks, mate. Thanks.
No worries, bro. 2 seconds, guys.
Just Simon, are you from the UK?
Yes, mate. Yeah.
Okay,
I live in London. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. Because for me, for example, IC is capped at 100. So 1 to 100 leverage. So it depends from where you're kind of based. So that's why.
Okay.
But that's still better than 1 to 30 for sure. So, but yeah, I agree with I'm personally like heavily into crypto as well.
Yeah.
So I'm looking to do kind of the same thing as I think you are thinking about. So Yeah, I think that's a great way to do it.
Yeah, I mean, I've thought about the FTMO accounts and I've looked into them and stuff, and it's not that I don't think they're a good idea. They are. It's just for me, it's just more like I just want my own personal capital, because then I don't feel like I'm bound by anyone's rules or restrictions. It's
100%.
just my money, and then that's it. I've got, if I lose it, well, I've been a knob, and if I do well, then I get to reap all the rewards.
100%. And well, especially on the drawdown side, you have no rules. So the thing with FTMO is, even if you're profitable, every profitable trade at some point goes through a losing streak or anything similar to that, and then you have some drawdown issues, right? So
yeah, so I didn't like the drawdown. Yeah, I did look into it. The drawdown, I was a bit like, yeah, that seems a little bit unfair, because like you said, a lot of people are still profitable.
Yeah.
They have moments of time where they are in a lot of drawdown, and it just seemed a little bit unreasonable.
It's just a business model. That's how they make their money. They don't make the money because people are getting funded. They make their money because people are failing challenges.
Yeah, of course, yeah. It's a good business model.
It is extremely profitable, of course.
What's wrong with you?
So are you funded or are you personal?
Me personally, I'm doing FTMO at the moment. Not funded yet. Yet. Just want to still studying at the moment, so just want to be more regular before putting any of my own big money into it.
Yeah, sure.
On personal funds, and I'd rather invest it in crypto at the moment, because I've been in crypto for 2.5 years, 3 years. So I like the environment, and I still think there's room, especially 2025. Looks pretty bullish to me. So
yeah, definitely. Yeah, I've been in crypto 5 years now, and I've made some of the biggest gains in the last 6 months. Yeah, it's pretty
Yeah,
impressive.
well, same for me.
Well, I wish I'd been more switched on like 5 years ago to invest into crypto. Like I was just going to the pub, drinking booze, just wasn't switched on to all this stuff.
Joe, I'll tell you what it is, mate. Get married and have kids, and then you're like, I need to start sorting my life out ASAP.
Yeah. How old are you then, bro? You got kids and everything?
I'm 33.
Yeah, you're still not old though.
No, not at all, but took on the pressures of life early, mate. I went to the University of Life. That's where I've been.
Simon, weren't you the one yesterday in Zoom chat in New York session? I think were you like benching incline 140 for 5?
Yes, mate. Yeah. I mean, I'm like Harry. I'm in the gym 5 days a week. Yeah.
Wow, that's some proper strength, man. Congrats.
Yeah, thanks, man. I have competed over the years in bodybuilding and powerlifting. So yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's really cool, man. That's really cool.
Yeah, I was looking at your profile picture. It's pretty good. Some good fullness there.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, no goals bodybuilding wise. Just enjoying training at the moment. Nothing too crazy. It might. Who knows in the future? Did you compete naturally or enhanced?
No, yeah. So I competed naturally. The only thing I would say with competing in bodybuilding is when you're going in for a show, I mean, you're talking 16 to 20 weeks worth of prep, and you literally have to eat, sleep, and breathe. Training, you have zero time for anything else. It's it can be very selfish. So yeah, if you've got like in my situation, wife and kids, I noticed it was starting to draw away from them quite a bit. So
100%.
I want to compete again, but at the moment, no, I'm just happy. 5 days a week training. I have 6 meals a day, and I'm just trying to find that nice balance. Yeah.
6 meals a day.
When did you start training? What age? Do you remember?
I started lifting weights when I was 18. Wow. So I've got that's about 16 years nearly, isn't it? Now?
Yeah. Wow. That's some proper consistency. Jesus.
There's been a lot of injuries though.
Yeah.
Had a shoulder replacement surgery. I've had 2 hernias. So I've got the battle scars. That's the only issue when you train for long periods of time and you're pushing the weight heavy. Yeah, you do run the risk of injuries. That's the only thing.
Of course.
You have to be a little bit mad, I think. You've got to just love what you're doing. I just love the whole process. Always have done.
Does that work? And IC market global. Then you think I can get 1 to 500?
Bro, I'm so annoyed about this. I was going to get more shares here, down here. And then I was waiting for one more test into it, and then I just went. I was like, no.
What's this?
AstraZeneca.
I've heard about it. I don't know where though. No idea.
They're a big pharmaceutical company. They did like the COVID vaccine and stuff like that. That's where you would have heard of it.
Okay. Cool. So those are 2 holdings?
Yeah, I've got a couple more. Yeah.
Nice.
The manufacturing site is where I live for AZ. So like pretty much anyone who's got a decent job around like my town pretty much works for AZ. Like my mum's been there for like 50 years.
Wow.
Like,
Okay.
So yeah.
That's cool, man. Yeah. Nice.
I want to add more to the S&P 500, but I just don't want to buy up here.
There's still some room on S&P 500. I think for sure at some point retracing will come 100%.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. I want like a COVID, you know, something like this where it's like a nice big old drop back to sort of previous levels maybe. But obviously you could be waiting 5 years for that. You never know.
For sure, man. Exactly, that's the thing, right?
Yeah.
Same with crypto. In hindsight, everything looks nice, but when you're at the moment, you think you're buying highs.
True.
That happened exactly, actually, even in TS when Bitcoin was at 50k. People were thinking, yeah, it's a top. And obviously in hindsight it's not. But... So you got any investments in tech-related stocks or just tech-related investments?
I've got Nvidia. I've got a little bit in Nvidia, not as much as I used to. I've just put a little bit in Evolution AB. I don't know if you've heard of those. It's like an online. They basically run online gambling.
Okay.
Do you know
you told about
yeah. They basically have a monopoly in like the. Do you know like the blackjack tables where it's like you go online, but it's like a real person doing it.
Yep.
They basically have the monopoly for that. So like pretty much any of the top providers use these. If you look where it is though.
Take care, Sonam. Take care. See ya.
See you later, mate. I went from 1k to 20k online blackjack. Go on, son.
Lucky motherfucker ends, man.
But yeah, for sure. Sorry, mate. Go on.
Okay.
I was gonna say, are you in Nvidia? Yeah.
I am. Yeah. Not as much as I was.
Did you get the drop the other day? Didn't it? Fucking from like 150 to 115 or something like that. Watch it hit 110.
It was that deep seek thing out of China, wasn't it?
The AI thing, yeah.
Yeah.
Did you buy any there, or you just kind of holding through?
Yeah, I was just holding through. My average was 97.
That's still good average though.
So I got in like somewhere around here. So it was a nice.
Yeah. No, they've got earnings, don't they? Fucking either what 26 or something.
Yeah.
I've got a bit in there as well.
Yeah, into any trade.
There's definitely more upside on it for sure.
DJ tak.
Yeah.
It's just hard to predict AI because it's so fast moving and just like like that deep sea thing just came out of nowhere, didn't it? Like nobody even predicted.
That's what I'm saying.
It's hard to sort of say.
It took out like 500 billion or something stupid off of Nvidia one day.
Yeah, I think it was 600 billion in like.
Yeah, that's mental. That.
Yeah, mad. There's silly money out there, isn't there? Like it's crazy.
Yeah.
Here's us stressing about our £300 trades on fucking the charts.
Goal apa? Sell.
Asal semua GJ punya yang unit tak ada top week dia.
Semua.
At least 3 candle.
Pretty dead this session, I'm not gonna lie.
7,
What's going on is
7:30,
similar to yesterday, there's nothing really moving.
8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Kau macam semua lah. So you're gonna make the bagi.
GJ's moving a little bit,
Yeah.
but I mean, how do you even get into GJ? It's
And
nothing.
15 pun next time kau kecil. Post tak ada.
I saw Harry was looking at the 5-minute close below here and then just be aggressive with the management, you know, at the previous 4, but you didn't even get the 5
Yeah,
close,
no.
did you?
I did just I took a sell on GJ a second ago.
What did you take? You take it up here or?
Yeah, I took it out there. Where was it? What's that illusion? It was after that little blop of, I mean, you had 5-minute little pull back there.
This one.
Let's have a look at yours.
Come out, guys. See you later.
Yeah.
You later, bro.
Hey.
Yeah, up there, yeah, bro.
Take it easy. No, you take it from up here.
Yeah, no, with that, with that close.
Liquidity grab, yeah, nice.
You should not sell goal.
I, mean, I can't remember how this candle performed, but that 15S1, if that had come up, grab liquidity and then flipped, I think that.
I don't know. I'm not a fan of selling gold.
Did you
now.
take that, Mirko?
No, I wasn't.
I wasn't locked in enough to even.
I wasn't sure if that counts as support with the 3 green candles that basically had no body.
That's a support, isn't it? I understand what you mean about that.
Like that just looks
Sell
weird.
gold.
Yeah.
But in hindsight, with the
okay.
like it went up first, I saw that, and then it came down. Like with the massive liquidity grab first, that wasn't awesome.
Where to sell? Which area nice to sell?
It's good on the 30. Yeah, it does look good on the 30 as well, actually. Wasn't locked in enough on that. Too busy chatting bollocks.
Oh yeah, on the 30 it looks much better.
Yeah, it looks a lot cleaner on the 30. Did it come up with no bottom wick straight away?
I don't remember that.
I can have a look anyway. So yeah, wick down first. Wick down first, then came up with liquidity grab.
Yeah, looks
To be fair, though, yeah, I think realistically, if you see like liquidity grab and then it starts to come down aggressively, reflips.
You have to take it on the reflip. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Because you've already got the S1, haven't you, active? The 30-minute S1. Oh man, that's annoying. I didn't even clock that.
GJ sell was okay say tadi.
Where was the signal, Sankit?
Oh, yeah.
Thinking looks good on the 30. Why were you saying that when it happened?
I was looking at it, but the target, target is like
Kasi dia naik,
1/3 of what you are.
bila dia flipping down, you put your order.
Looks good now because it has gone down, but it's like 80% beat rate. That's the thing.
What is the line there you have?
This one?
Previous 4 hour.
Yeah, previous 4.
Yeah, for me 1 hour.
Yeah, that's why I did not take. I was thinking about it. And then you have a previous 1 hour below. Even that is not 1:1.
Yeah.
Yeah, one guy took.
Yeah, it's tough. I think that liquidity grab gives it the juice to be able to go.
I was looking
but
for
didn't
buys
see that
actually.
at the time, to be
So
honest.
of course I did not take that sell.
That's the thing for me.
Yeah.
Like the previous 4 hours always questionable for me because it actually
Looking
doesn't
for it
mean
to
much.
break
If you
above
look at the
here.
4-hour candles, like
But
they
he
always
was-
wig
you
up
can look
and
for
down.
sell
Like
and then
they
you can
have
buy,
both
so
sides
both
usually
boleh.
like a massive.
Kalau dia break on
So
top,
even if you're speaking about 4 hours, right? It would still
Pak
wig
Gul
past
sekarang
it
nak
and then
sell
come back, which would give you plenty of time to manage anyway.
Mana
No,
saya
but the
nak sell
thing
gold?
about that entry was
Unless
that
dia
was
buat
a news
structure.
candle. Even if it wakes
Structure
up,
break.
then it goes down. It can go down and come up anytime. You cannot enter on a news candle. Looks good now, but that's a news candle.
Yeah, that's why. That makes sense now.
Oh.
And
That
if the
makes
news
sense
is
now.
neutral, it will just make a doji, and you will be just be or stopped out.
Yeah, okay, that's something else. And if it's in
Yeah.
news candle, but it's normal like 4-hour candles.
Yeah, normal candle, that's a good entry. Like you can risk the B as well. You know you're going B at the 4 hour.
Yeah,
But news
exactly.
candle you cannot risk.
Yeah, I agree with that.
No, you are spot on there, though, Mirko, because you can
For
take
our-
that to there.
for
And
our
like you say, you
touch.
can go break even here and then.
Yeah, like what I mean is even like if the 4 hours they close at a certain point, right? But usually they at least go a bit past. Like if you look at the ones on the left, they have at least 20 pips up. With
Yeah,
the 3,
no, I know what
and
you're
then they
saying.
come back down.
So it's like that gives you so much time to manage. It just usually doesn't stop right at the 4-hour candles.
No, exactly, that's your break-even point, isn't it? Anyway.
Yeah.
But no, I was thinking
Also,
why
key
did we
level
not...
in the middle.
Yeah, 500 there
Support.
as well.
Yeah.
Too many supports.
Yeah, it's not the easiest today, to be honest. New York's been pretty shit for a while, though, hasn't it? I can't remember.
You have to, like, for you, it would be around like 4 p.m. I've seen DAX move 4 at 5 p.m. German time.
Yeah, it seems to be like London close.
Every single day. Yeah.
The only time I've liked New York recently is when when gold was in the all-time highs.
Yeah.
I don't think it was that bad then. Got a few. I got a bit out of that, but.
I can't actually remember the last trade I took in New York session. It's been a while.
Last one I took was the gold trade. You were in the gym, right? Remember?
What's that?
The gold trade we took. No, you were in the gym. You were in the gym.
Oh shit! Yeah, I remember that one. The like 12,
Yeah.
15 or whatever it was. Yeah,
That was the last one I took in New York. I don't remember any other.
Yeah, I remember that one. I just think I sound like Jason Statham. Oh, he's a southerner, isn't he, Jason Statham?
Because you're British.
Eh?
It's racist, that ends. We don't all sound the same.
Suara dia macam Jason Statham. Ya, actor tu.
Bit British. Voices one to one.
Jason Statham.
I'm Liverpool.
I mean, I used to.
Mershon, I'm Liverpool.
Jewelry and pitch jewelry on the
Did some
streets.
modelling.
You're right. You know, as a sportsman for years, I'm not really some thespian that can adopt and chameleon himself into different roles.
Yeah, I don't even want to talk about that, bro.
To this by being at the right place at the right time.
Wow, game and Goodison, eh?
Working.
Yeah, really good. Well, I say really good. Yeah, it wasn't great at the end, but it was a good game.
The last game on Goodison Park, wasn't it?
Yeah, last one. Of anyone you expect to just hammer it into the top corner, it wasn't him though, was it?
Yeah, Tarkovsky last shot was
Jesus.
out of nowhere.
It kicks off after as well, didn't it? Like Arnold Slot ended up getting sent off. Curtis Jones did. Decore did, didn't he, as well?
You think about Ref adding like 3 more minutes on the side.
Yeah.
What did Decore do actually?
What did?
Decore. Why did they get red?
He was celebrating in front of the Liverpool fans, and I think.
I
Curtis
thought
Jones.
final whistle. That's why. Okay.
See you later, soulmate. Take it easy. What's this then? Has he got it? I want that load. Hey, come on, the boy.
Oh, udah dapat finally. Baru cakap.
Baru dapat account dia.
One week tak dapat trip. Besok
Joking, for fuck's sake, Ents. That should be a quick fix, though, surely.
Fuck's sake, they put my postal code wrong with it.
It's never easy, is it? It's never simple. Jesus Christ. That's so annoying. Thinking potentially you get back above the daily resistance. If you can get a closure by below that sort of minor, that minor little knock on the 15. Just clean on the 1. And then just break even at that 5. Just because it's not the cleanest on the 5, but see how it formulates anyway.
This is not one anymore, this previous one, so
It's probably going to be another one of those days, isn't it, where it's going to start moving, like you said, Mirko, at like 4 o'clock.
this is previous.
No.
Then the close back above. Oh, okay, that would give a good.
Someone's dog is trading.
My God, but that's
I think it's Claudio's dog.
Claudius. Dia tak ada pun orang kacau dia. Dah tak ada pun orang kacau Claudius dog.
Right, I think I'm going to get off here, boys, anyway. It's pretty slow, isn't it? There's nothing going on.
Yep. See ya. Bye-bye. I'm off.
I'll speak to Harry about maybe doing another one tomorrow. But yeah, nice one, guys.
Enjoy your.
Dah bawa agak gerobak.
Appreciate it, mate. Take it easy, guys.
But you can talk to Harry pasal dia reply you. Ya. Hari tu I tanya Harry about Pip Labs. Habis dia suruh me DM dia personally. Tapi I tak DM lah. Cakap dia will give me a discount code. You DM me personally, I'll give you a discount code. Aisyah nak beli saya Pip Labs lah. Testing software. Tak apalah. Semua. Saya donasi ke sini. Oh my God. This was the trade lah for me actually. No, Dex. Take TP and let's hope. Then straight away the reject. No. But yeah, probably break even. You can monitor Dex, right? Then slowly get into it, right? You don't have to trade straight away. Like what I did juga. I missed few trades with Dex, but I don't know how about this, but I tengok how Harry trade Dex. Then slowly I like, okay, now let me try trade Dex juga.
Sebab I sendiri masih tengah nak get used to going back to trading. I baru take so far one trade. So that's why I'm trying to adapt to trading again. Maybe next week,
No, what I mean is, when you say adapt to trading, that means what are you apa what are you trying to do now?
Understand back the market lah.
Like
Understand back lah. What you mean like understanding back the market macam. Because I can trying to restart back macam how it takes going for like heavy kind of style. So I like this thing.
you mean understand back the how to implement the strategy semua.
And yeah, and understanding like the market punya momentum in terms of like what potential. Lagi sekarang ada yang with the new presidency, so macam what is the kind of impact, how does it impact gitu. So I right now tengah fokus these two je macam itu je. I quite banyak
JJ dengan gold.
dengan gold kan. I keep looking at gold in terms of JJ. Walaupun macam ditanya ni tak tengok
JJ, I never took dah berapa lama saya tak trade JJ. I tak ada trade on JJ. No, I think the whole mana my journal. So far dah trade 1 month, I only got 1 JJ trade je. Belum 1 month lah, lagi berapa hari? Lagi 3 hari 1 month kan.
mostly is gold dengan ni
Dex the most. I think gold the most. Yeah, gold more.
yeah, that's why going back because dulu bila
Dex.
I check pun gold mostly.
Dex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades on Dex. Gold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades on Dex, 9 trades on gold sama. And that one I had to miss a few Dex trade very. Yeah, so what I'm trying to say is you okay lah, what I'm trying to say is you if Dex giving opportunity like this and it's good to get in, right? So lah. Yeah, I mean like because we trade the same thing. What we want to do is achieve the same trades, right? Macam like how Harry trades, you nak trade macam how Harry trade. I nak trade how Harry trades. So lah. So for example, you wanna, for example, you also wanna trade like how I trade because I trade like Harry, betul lah. So and Dex is like giving so much opportunity. You just for example like boom setup one. Look at this. Yo. For example, this candle break above. Setup one, let's say. This candle break above. Nampak? Stop loss below. Setup one. P. This candle break above. Here. NTP. Ni. Come down. Retest. Setup 2. NTP juga. This by this week. So there is opportunity index and I don't know how long. I don't know. Because I'm not a seasoned Dex trader kan. I don't know. Maybe next month Dex slow down. Dex start to come down. But you look at weekly on Dex. Look at weekly on Dex. Maybe what from January January to sekarang.
Semangat.
A month kan, Dex been every week hijau. Every week. So it's just even you can capitalize on that opportunity, right? Just
But Dex is like lagi more timing dia macam lagi aktif petang kan.
Dex is German. It's supposed to be active at London session.
Tapi London
But the problem, the thing I'm looking now so far this 1 month, Dex will move both timing. London the move, New York pukul 12 malam dah akan move. 12 malam kita punya time dah akan still move. Yeah. So it's about
Germany, Europe.
Germany is Europe so it's supposed to be pukul 3 DEX open at 3 p.m. our time. 1 hour earlier than London.
Oh.
So 3 p.m. DEX open, but
3 p.m. SGD timing.
yeah.
Your team tak ada orang GU ke?
Ada.
Tapi Shopee tak main GU.
Tak. Dia dah drop GU trade for DEX. And that's what I did also.
Why people tak ambil UJ instead? People ambil GJ instead.
If me, you ask me,
Because of timing
no, firstly, me, senang, is because I follow Harry. Simple answer. Okay? I wouldn't even trade DEX kalau not because of Harry. Then start trading DEX, that's why I trade DEX. Then start trading GJ. But no, I trade the GJ before. But, for example, now, Harry trade GJ, gold, dengan DEX. Why he do that? Tadi I asked the question. And the answer, dia cakap, he nak balance out with one metal, which is gold, one indices, which is DEX, and one forex, which is GJ. Yeah, so indices is DEX, which is index, then gold which is metal, then GJ, which is forex. So they balance out that way. And another reason why he do that is because he said max he can concentrate on 3 pairs. Yeah, dia tak boleh concentrate more than 3 pairs. So I mean like sometimes I 3 pair pun kadang-kadang I miss trade, betul tak?
Yeah.
So yeah, imagine I trading 4 5 pairs. Wah, lagi
Concentrate 2 je, itu pun selalu
gold close back above the range, and then 30 minute. Let's see, 30 minute. Still got time.
besok pergi tu naik car ke kita naik bike?
Kalau ada car naik was 45 minutes.
Sports car.
Close below, this can be an option. What? Close below, what? Yeah, GJ was an option tadi, and then DEX was an option for me. Okay, but DEX probably I can get it now kalau dia break all time high lagi. But gold, I'm looking for gold buys now instead of sell. So hard, man. Senang kalau dia buat what I'm looking for is the ini and then break like that. This is news candle lah tu pasal susah. Cuma below ni pun dia tak tutup. Can I? Still bias bearish. What target? 1 hour target. No, target. Not tap yet. That's interesting. $15 structure can give us a trade here. That. You know you can trade gold 30 minute, tunggu 30 minute ni close. And it will give you a setup. Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
But actually this is called setup 4, but setup 2 and 4 is almost the same. Yeah, correct.
Even and odd.
Setup 2, 4 and 5 is all the same principle but just slightly different variation.
They should name it the even and odd setup. I look at it, set 15 minutes pun boleh setup tu. I hear bell, but where are you?
Sorry, what you say?
15 minutes setup tu pun boleh kan?
15 minute setup tu, it will be almost the same as 30 minute lah. But 15 minute you got this like, you need to wait for this candle break above 2912. Yeah. 30 minute, if the candle can close above 2911 dah cukup lah. But it will be the same lah. You will take it.
So for 30 minutes, you break the entries on the 29.
Sama, your entry will be the sama. Sama.
Boy masuk balik kena pergi makan.
So, huh?
Balik.
Sel.
Okay, jadi boy come back, boy pergi makan. Spare me.
Hey, kena marah ke nak makan? Dah masuk tadi.
Ya, so ada kan sekarang bukan bell, right? So ada bell tu dia somewhere in the room.
Habis?
Or somewhere nearby us.
Habis marah dia?
Tak cakap tak jalan keluar. Tak kacau dia jelas bawa pergi makan kau tu pergi makan. Aku nak dengar bunyi metal. Dia minum air atau makan. Kami dia kau buat ke? Nanti bila I jemur baju, you boleh tengok kat luar ambil angin sikit, okay? Tumbuk tu.
Muka apa?
Tumbuk. Muka kucing yang jemuk sekali.
Kalau dia gini, susah lah nak ambil trade.
Yelah.
Ya, like this dah tak boleh. Dah lagi 3 minit. Dex pun tak nak tutup atas. Lagi 3 minit. Yeah. Dua-dua tak nak. Sekarang saya tengah confused. Medek keluar. Nak makan ice cream lah.
Buang sampah sekali.
Dah makan. Lapar.
Makan dah. Tengok balik tau. Take this or you might finish kat luar. Kalau kan dia just dekat luar, kita makan.
Tak ambil ni. Ni hawa. Wushu.
Wushu.
Asal wushu?
And don't forget and promise me, okay? Jemur baju tak ada cuci 3 hari.
Jemur baju ada?
Baju kita lah, ini letak dalam oven. Ini letak dalam oven. Ini letak dalam washing machine.
Cuci jemur lah.
Mana ada you cuci tak cuci letak je saya nak tanya. You always washing or not? But cakap give me for a while I wash. I wash pasal keluarkan. Sebab sekejap je nak pakai kan. So tak sabun. Tak sabun. Sabar. So I rewash letak sabun. Faham?
Saya waste up water.
No, because I that day you guys wonder that I take it out. I cakap wait. I stretch kita tengah wash. Cakap I need to rewash.
Habis saya tak sabun.
I lupa. Tapi tu sebab ambil sekejap je 20 minit je.
Oh man. best option, but probably late one for me. So just gonna off the stream. Maybe wait for goal above this level. And next break of this level. That's the plan.